Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro, where we break down the smartest tools to level up your PC experience. Today we're diving into the 5 best free backup program for Windows 10, helping you protect your files the right way. Stick around as we explore powerful apps that keep your data safe. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have AOMEI Backupper Standard, a lightweight and reliable tool built to help you protect, restore, and sync your data. On the Microsoft Store, it holds a 2.4 out of 5 rating with 5 user reviews, and it's designed to handle full system backups, file syncing, and disk cloning with ease. Here are 3 standout features. Full backup and restore. Create complete system, disk, or file backups and restore them anytime. Flexible sync options. Sync data across drives, devices, or the cloud to keep everything updated automatically. Easy disk clone. Move your OS or entire drive to a new SSD or HDD without reinstalling Windows. Now let's walk through the interface. On the home screen, you get a clean dashboard showing your recent backups and quick actions for creating new ones. Tapping into Backup, you see options for System Backup, Disk Backup, Partition Backup, and File Backup, all laid out in a simple grid for easy access. In the Sync tab, the app shows tools for mirror sync, real-time sync, and two-way sync, letting you keep multiple locations perfectly aligned. Under Clone, you'll find straightforward choices to clone your system or migrate your OS to a faster SSD. And in Tools, OMI offers advanced utilities like creating bootable media, mounting images, or managing old backups to free up space. That's AOMI Backupper Standard. Simple, steady, and built to keep your data safe without the stress. At number 4 on our list, we have Easys Disk Copy, a powerful disk cloning and system migration tool built for Windows users who want a smooth, reliable, and lossless way to move their data. On the Microsoft Store, this app currently shows no ratings and no published reviews, but its purpose is clear. It's designed to clone entire drives, migrate operating systems, and keep your data intact with sector-level accuracy. Here are 3 standout features. One-click seamless HDD to SSD transfer. Move your entire system to a new SSD instantly without reinstalling anything. Sector-by-sector cloning with 0 data loss. Creates a perfect mirror of your drive, including hidden partitions. Bootable USB creation. Build a rescue USB that can boot a crashed PC and start the cloning process safely. Now, let's walk through the interface. When you land on disk mode, you see the main cloning workspace, where you can copy an entire hard drive to another one in a simple step-by-step flow. Switching to system mode, the app focuses on migrating your Windows OS specifically, ideal for moving from HDD to SSD with all settings preserved. In partition mode, you get precise control, letting you clone or back up individual partitions instead of the whole disk. The emergency disk section guides you through creating bootable media, which is essential for system recovery or cloning when a PC won't start. And finally, Network Clone gives you options for cloning disks over a network, useful in professional or multi-device environments. Overall, Easys Disk Copy keeps the layout clean and direct, making a complex process feel effortless and safe, perfect for anyone upgrading their hardware or preserving their system. At number 3 on our list, we have Sync Folder, a clean and lightweight backup and synchronization tool designed for Windows users who just want a simple, reliable way to protect their files. On the Microsoft Store, it holds a 4.2 out of 5 rating, backed by 143 reviews, and its main purpose is to help you sync important folders to drives, networks, servers, and cloud storage with minimal setup. Here are 3 standout features. Easy one-way or two-way folder sync. Keep your files updated across multiple locations automatically or on demand. Incremental, fast copying. Only new or changed files are transferred, saving time and storage. Flexible device support. Sync with USB drives, network storage, FTP, SFTP servers, smartphones, and even Wi-Fi imports. Now let's move into the interface. Starting with Create One-Way Synchronization task, the app shows a simple layout where you pick your source folder and target location for clean one-direction backups. When you open Create Two-Way Synchronization task, you see options designed to keep two folders fully aligned in both directions. Under Create a Copy task, the interface focuses on basic incremental copying without deleting anything on the destination. Choosing Create a Cut and Paste task switches the view to a clean tool for moving files entirely from one place to another. And tapping the settings icon at the top right brings up configuration options. Things like filters, scheduling, import destinations, and your preferred backup behavior. The whole layout feels minimal, smooth, and purpose-built for everyday home backups. Sync Folder keeps the process steady and stress-free, making it a solid pick for simple and dependable file protection. At number 2 on our list, we have Backup and Sync 365 by Nero, a versatile backup solution designed to keep your files safe on Windows 10 and later. On the Microsoft Store, it holds a 4.6 out of 5 rating from 25 reviews. And its main goal is to let you automatically protect your data, store it locally or online, and easily restore it whenever needed. Here are 3 standout features. Auto backup anytime, anywhere. Schedule backups daily, weekly, monthly, or use continuous file protection for real-time security. Online and offline storage. Save your files on external drives, NAS, or cloud platforms like OneDrive and Google Drive. Password protection. Keep your data secure with AES 256-bit encryption and version management. Now let's walk through the interface. On the home screen, you see a clean dashboard summarizing your backup status and recent activity. The Backup Now button in the center makes it simple to start an immediate backup with a single click. In the Restore section, you can quickly recover your files, including previous versions, from any storage location. The Tools tab gives access to extra utilities, such as managing storage locations and monitoring backup health. Finally, Options lets you configure schedules, encryption settings, and other preferences for full control over your backup process. Backup and Sync 365 by Nero keeps the workflow intuitive, secure, and efficient, making it easy to protect your important files without any hassle. At number 1 on our list, we have Quick Sync, Local File Transfer, a fast and secure app that makes moving files from your computer to mobile devices effortless. On the Microsoft Store, it has a 4.2 out of 5 rating with 24 reviews, and its main purpose is to provide simple local file transfers using QR codes or download links over your own network. Here are 3 standout features. Blazing fast transfers. Move files quickly without relying on slow cloud uploads. Local transfer for enhanced privacy. Keep your files secure by transferring directly over your own network. User-friendly interface. Add files, generate QR codes, and download to any device with a simple scan. Now let's explore the interface. The main interface of instructions guides you step by step on how to start transferring files. Using the Add File option at the top left, you can select the files you want to send. The red local HTTP service button beside it activates the local transfer, generating a QR code or download link instantly. In the Review section, you can manage all files queued for transfer before sending them. Finally, the Purchase option lets you upgrade to VIP for larger file sizes and unlimited transfers. Quick Sync keeps transfers fast, secure, and intuitive, making moving files easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful app reviews.